People said that now there is no gender discrimination. Men and women are getting equal opportunity. And I agree with that. Now the situation has changed and women are getting a lot of opportunity to prove themselves in their career or in any field. But still, one thing actually disturbed me, that in any field, if a woman do better than men, why it shows like it is a very huge achievement. But in the same field, if a man actually beat a woman and go further, that is a normal thing. It is actually showing that gender discrimination is still exists. Just like in games or in art or in job or in business or in anything, if a woman go further than men or get more success than men, it is a very huge thing. They just show like, oh, this girl do this girl do that. They just show like, ये तो पूरी super woman है. But if the same thing happened with a man, nobody actually talks about it, just like it is a kind of normal thing. That is actually shows that gender discrimination still exists. If you won't understand, I am saying that just like a man is normal human being, he is doing whatever he want to do, he love to do, and he is doing hard work. He is actually getting success because of his hard work. Woman is also doing the same thing. Then why it is a very huge, news for the whole India, that if a woman is doing something better than men, that is a very big thing. Why? If there is gender equality, you should treat everything equally, even the achievements also.